With every new building that comes into Vancouver, that is built in Vancouver with a flat roof, I suggest that they put in a garden, a vegetable garden especially, produce and grown on top of flat roofs. I would support a bylaw that made it mandatory. Not only would this save in heat energy, it would save in air conditioning during the summer. It insulates the roof. Also, it reduces the travel of vegetables to Vancouver. The other thing that I would suggest is beehives. Because the bee population in rural areas is dying off. There's a bee die-off due to insecticides. Monsanto is one of the dangerous companies that should be kind of fought by gardening without their genetically altered seeds, without their insecticides. 3M, I believe, makes some of the insecticides. I'm not sure whether Monsanto does too. But if this was done, we'd be saving energy both in gasoline and travel. We'd be saving energy through the insulation on the roofs. We'd be ensuring that honeybees can survive if they remained in the city and pollinated the gardens that were on the roofs and local flowers and blossoms. So that you're gaining. It's a big, big gain. Something has to be done because this global warming is not a joke. The pollution is not a joke, and the die-off of bees is not a joke.